Hi there, my name's Troy Gretsch from intodrums.com and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a professional drummer from Melbourne, Australia with over 25 years experience in teaching and performing. I also have a website called intodrums.com where I run live and pre-recorded lessons as well as hosting masterclasses with some of the best drummers in the industry. So the drum lessons that you'll find on this channel aims to give you creative ideas to help explore maybe different parts of your drumming that you probably never thought about exploring before, and hopefully give you the opportunity to lift your drumming to the next level. So what I'm offering are free drum lessons, drum covers, and a segment that I call Sick Licks, where I take some of the best licks played from some of the best artists in the world and I break them down and teach them to you. New lessons are usually added every week, so subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of when the next lesson is available. I really hope to hear from you in the comments, so until then,